Look at that art. Yeah. Oh my God. Girl. I'm talking. And I'm like, hey, what's up? Hello. Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. And as you can tell from the title, it's Anasia's birthday. It's my girl's birthday, my sister's birthday. So we're about to go celebrate in Miami, Florida. And yeah, make sure you watch this video on this look. I only showed the hair, I didn't show the makeup, but the makeup is pretty simple. It's a plain eye with green under eye. I've done that plenty of times. The face is snatched and beat. I did this wig. This wig is from Amazon. And I put it on myself. So yeah, give me my props in the comments. Thank you. But yeah, it's Anasia's birthday. So we're about to head out. It's 5:45. We need to get going because it's traffic. About to put her gift together. Got her some perfumes. You know, got to get my girls their collections up. You know, we perfume girlies, perfume women around here in these streets. I got her two of these Victoria's Secret ones. And then I got her, oh, that's so cute. Come with a little sticker. And I got her a Pandora charm. This is Victoria's Secret. So yeah, ma'am. It's on Friday, June 30th. But yeah, we're about to go turn up real quick in the MIA. Look at my friend! Hold on. I gotta God, dang, look at that girl. I don't want her to see anything, but I'm not done. But hold on. Look at that art! Yeah! Oh my God! Girl! My God, Nasia! Dang, girl!
Can't even walk in it. It's heavy.
Yeah, that you looking heavy in the back too. Y'all, turn around, let me see. Yeah. Woo! Look at my girl. Dang, girl, my God. Let's take pictures now. No, what?
It's so not me.
So it's a beautiful.
We need to cut beautiful.
Oh my gosh, how does she do that?
Yeah, she lined it. It was see-through. So this is the material she put in there. And I was like, I
did good. Because from the picture to now?
Yeah, she had to sew these back on. Take them off, sew them back on.
Oh, she need a raise.
So when she was like, it's gonna be $200 to do it. At first I'm like, what? And then but what she had to do, it makes it.
It's okay. That's something you can wear. Listen, come time for your engagement pictures, you can wear it again.
I'm not getting engaged no time.
Girl, please. Look at my friend. Oh my God. Take them clips out of your hair so I can see.
You can always add bottom.
Yeah, you can turn into something else. You can. That dress is absolutely stunning. Y'all, look at her. My gosh, this is giving wife. It's giving wife, y'all. So you see this girl? Oh, man, tell me. My goodness. Yes, ma'am. Oh, look at my friend. My goodness. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That girl. No, you look amazing. What? Ain't nobody stunting, huh? I ain't never seen nobody look this good on their birthday. Ain't nobody ever look good on their birthday like this. Okay?
She said what?
Okay. Nobody. We get ready to go right now?
Yeah. 7:30?
It's 5:50. So we can get there, take some pictures while the sun's still out.
Another reason.
It's an hour and 20 minutes. Dang, it's still an hour from Boca?
Yes.
We'll get there at 7:15. Let me get my stuff together. That booty though. That booty heavy. Ouch. I almost broke my nail. Alright, y'all. You need lotion still, right? get going. GG girl. Come on, girl. Oh, child. We turning up! Yeah!
As we should.
As we should and we will. Hello. Ooh, I'm hot.
It spoke to me. I was like, this is your dress.
This is spoke to you?
Like, no,
No, that's her dress,
I was
baby.
like, this is your dress. She was like,
That's
no.
her dress, okay? Because
And I told
what?
her, I was like, Naja, ain't nobody
What?
styling like you.
Nobody.
Get this.
You not taking professional pictures?
No.
Damn, girl, you suck.
I tried to force her. She didn't want to.
I'm gonna find somebody in Miami.
I'm making a big deal.
I'm gonna find somebody in Miami. Watch.
You didn't bring the scissors. You didn't bring the scissors? Don't do that.
What you need?
Scissors. I don't have scissors.
I always have scissors. Okay. And that, and just in case somebody roll up on me, and I ain't got no gun, I can cut your face. Got the scissors.
Thank you. To go now.
Yeah.
For your Maserati, you get down.
Hey.
Hey. Oh, baby, choose what you wanna do. You shoot the way Jimmy choose. Hop in my Maserati. Baby, I just love it. Hop in my Maserati. And I wanna see you go down. Hop in my Maserati.
We made it. Look at her. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Where's your batteries and stuff? Girl, that's cute. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Hot pink is the color of the season. I was tempted to wear hot pink.
That's what I did with my dress and they kept popping off. And the rules to like hold it up.
Oh.
I see what you're
Just
doing.
be careful with that.
I'm the one that have to choke that.
Wish.
You choking me.
Choke that.
Then you gonna choke me to death.
Yeah, I'm trying not to. Breathe.
Well, breathe.
Hold your breath. I promise. This ain't that cute stuff.
I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
Here.
It feels more secure.
This is my neck. I don't think I'm gonna be able to sit. Because it was already kind of choking me when I was sitting. Sure?
Oh yeah. Well, we have light.
Walking is ghetto in this dress.
Child, she's strutting that ass. We are off to the Versace mansion, Giannis restaurant. That's where we're gonna be eating at. And yep, it's literally right there. Put our stuff in and go take a look. Hi, we have a reservation.
Perfect.
7:30.
It is up the stairs next to the front.
Okay. Hello. Yes. Go ahead.
Last time we
Vlog for her, Gigi, because she's not gonna remember to vlog.
Here you go.
Yes, yes, yes.
Like together. I want to eat the whole dress. Yes.
You want your ball, crystal ball?
Should I?
Yeah. I'm asking, can they turn this fan on? They have 2 big fans for what? Question, do you guys ever turn those on?
Tomorrow. Really?
Yeah. Get her something nice and cute if you can.
So, what do you like? Tequila, vodka, gin?
I'm not a drinker.
Tequila.
And you said you're not a drinker?
She is today. She didn't drive.
You can make it. It's fine. I'm not drunk.
She can drink. She's good.
So you're drinking tonight?
Yeah, she's drinking tonight. Okay. I'm not a drinker.
Martini.
Lies. Didn't we just get you a bottle last birthday?
You did. I didn't even finish it.
It's not even open.
It's open, but it's not finished.
We should have brought it. Took 2 shots in the car.
Right. I should have asked. Do they have lemon drop martini? That's what I'm.
Can you call them?
They're in here. They're like walking.
The garage. Yes, the closest garage. Oh my gosh! Look at it. That's insane. Girl, yes. I'm scared. Wait till you see it. No, I'm not proposing. What is it?
Stethoscope.
Come on, nurse. Oh, come on, RN. It's a little stethoscope. Look at that, RN. Yeah, yeah. Take that blood pressure, man.
I should put it on my trunk right now.
Yes, put it on. And they'll just make it say in the middle. But you gotta get more stuff for Daniel. It's so cute. It's one of my favorites, girl. I love that thing. Yes, more gifts, more gifts. More perfume, more perfume. Yeah! 1 time for the birthday, 2 times for the birthday, 3 times for the birthday. It's your birthday!